Okay, so we're back in home labbing ipv4. It's already 3 a.m. And you know what? I'm gonna wrap this up very quickly because oh my god. And ipv6 coming to ipv4, like maintaining everything in cloudflare dns and your router is kind of like you need to figure out in your own. And I'm not gonna lie, these things need like baby stepping this in order to like learn everything in IPv6 and come back in IPv4. And you know what? Let's just start it. I already took 1 minute. And okay, so our first home labbing as I'm recording this for IPv4, basically you're gonna make a website WordPress using IPv4 and using Cloudflare. So that's the easiest one. I can fully explain this. Basically, you don't have an IPv6 or dual stacking on that. You're gonna use only port forwarding the old way. I'm not gonna lie, like 50% or 60% the internet are running IPv6 dual stack. That's why you can access this because your SIM are like forcing you to use the IPv6. You have the IPv4. You cannot have only IPv6 because you're not gonna access like half of the internet because they're running IPv4. We don't want that to happen. If you want to go deep in IPv6 and IPv4, like this project, like I told you, you need to baby step this thing in order like fully understand it. And so our first project for IPv6 is make a website that could run in IPv4 only server and access it like this on cloud using Cloudflare, Ubuntu, and yeah, something like that. So reverse proxy, I'm using nginx on this one and Apache for reverse proxy server. Basically, we're not gonna use the Cloudflare proxy. We want DNS only. Basically, go straight to the IP address, show what it's in there, and view it. Much more faster, but we need to handle manually all of the security because we're not using the proxy method with Cloudflare. And yeah, see you next video.